Alright, good morning everybody. We are starting a new project today. All the guys are here on site. We have my brother is actually picking up a bucket because we did end up buying a skid steer, but we don't have a bucket, so we had to go rent that. But it's gonna be me, Tyler, Eric, Shane, we got Enrique, Luis, and Enrique Jr. here. And the bin driver just arrived as well. We're gonna be dumping out all the base right there that he came with. So we're gonna dig this area, this driveway down pretty deep, throw some base in there, and re-pour it. Plus we're gonna be widening this apron approach right here. Just waiting on Tyler so we can break in the brand new skid steer we just got. And I mean, it's a used one, so it's already broken in, but we're gonna break it in for ourselves. Yeah, well, we're gonna dig all the dirt down deeper in this area and fill it with base. Shit, we might have too much base.
This is where the bigger ones are.
John said he just wants that straight and then bends at the end.
This one's straight, but this brick right here, this is all the millwork. This is a boat strip.
Oh, we're doing a mow strip, okay.
All the way down here to it. All the way to where that brick is.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay, we're gonna need a lot then.
yeah, it's because it's double sided.
Alright. Brand new Nuevo, almost Nuevo.
Yeah, no, she's got 700 hours on it. But
Only 700, that's nothing too.
yeah, if you figure 8-hour days, that's only 80 days of work on this baby.
Yeah.
The only thing that we need to replace is these tracks. You can see they're a little worn down, but
Yeah, they're very, very worn down.
when you can start seeing these metal pieces in between the tracks, it's kind of when you know you need to replace it. See this sprocket's like,
How'd it feel driving it down onto the job site for the first time?
oh great.
Hi, Tyler Odell here with Odell Complete Concrete, and today we're going to be redoing this driveway here. So the homeowner had a demolition crew come in here a couple months prior to me coming in, and I guess he kind of just had him demo out the old concrete driveway. It was just beat up, cracked concrete, so he had somebody else take care of that. So when we came in, it was just dirt, so it made it pretty easy for us. But we did have to go down 7 inches on this driveway to allow for 2 inches of base and 5 inches of concrete. So it's a nice thick concrete slab with a solid foundation for it to sit on. And we're using our new Bobcat MT100 that me and my brother Tim just picked up on auction. It was some equipment auction that we picked it up from, and it came from Tennessee, but we got it delivered down here to Southern California. And yeah, I mean, it has like 700 hours, but it's running really good, and you know, it's exactly what we need for, you know, the kind of work we do. I mean, on something like this, we could have used a bigger tractor, but it's not much of a difference. I mean, we got all this formed up and set up in one day, and then we basically poured it the next day. So yeah, we're moving quick. Here's the compactor in action. We compacted the subgrade, and now we're just compacting the 2 to 3 inches of base that we laid down here. As for this side of the house, we're removing an old little 2-foot walkway, which is pretty rare to see, a pretty small walkway really. And we're going to be extending it to a 4-foot walkway. And this is all going to be colored concrete. It's going to be pewter gray by Davis Color Charts, and it's kind of just like a light gray. It's darker than regular concrete, but you know, nice light gray. Seems to be a pretty popular choice amongst homeowners. And then as for the driveway, we're going to be doing 6-foot diamond grids throughout the middle of the driveway, and 14-inch bands going around the perimeter. Alrighty guys, we got the mow strip in place, and this is going to be a little bit different finish than the driveway here. This is going to be exposed aggregate coming through this mow strip. So what we're going to do is when we pour the concrete, we're going to sprinkle some rocks all over this mow strip, kind of just sprinkle them all over. And then once we finish the pour, the same day right after we broom it, we're going to spray it with some water and get all that aggregate exposed for this mow strip here. It'll be a real nice decorative finish, but we're moving along quick. It's only 11 a.m. We've been on the job for 4 hours, and We got all the base in. We took out about 10 yards of dirt, installed about another 13 tons of road base, and we're moving quick. So this is gonna be ready for concrete maybe tomorrow, but I'm thinking Wednesday. So 2 days, get this baby set up. We're gonna set some block here for a little planter bed wall, and we're gonna face it with some veneer stone, as well as a nice paver cap. That'll kind of hide this water main, and can grow some plants in there and stuff, so that'll look nice. And then my bros over here. This is gonna be a 4-foot wide walkway now, and then all the way through here. And he's digging out some dirt.
Yeah, almost there.
Yep. This is just standard 4-inch concrete back here. It's a little walkway, broom finish. Oh hell yeah. Yeah, these are the kind of stakes you want, man.
Custom.
2x4 stakes. That'll hold your forms together, no doubt about it.
Guys, look at this. Midday, and it's like hailing out right now. We're getting soaked. We're trying to pack up all the tools as fast as we can. Look at this. Came out of nowhere, right? What the heck? Look at this, guys. We're getting soaked. We're getting freaking rained out. Oh my God. I'm gonna be soaked. Such weird like rain.
Yeah, we gotta get all this up in the street though, bro.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, you're gonna get that dirt?
So we did get rained out a little bit today, but we got a lot done. Cleaning up the front right now. Stopped raining on us. But yeah, cleaning up, getting the rest of this front yard in shape, and we'll be back tomorrow to do the final touches. Pretty much we're going to be putting in the rest of that block wall with a little planter. Gonna put some rebar over there, some more rebar in here, and just a couple other odds and ends. But yeah, we're pretty much ready for concrete. But we do need to get the sweeper approach out, but we're waiting for the city on that one. But other than that, yeah, we're pretty solid and looking good.